do you plan on doing it?
I'll set the mother as the subject of the experiment and make the child disappear. The subject will face obstacle after obstacle while she searches for the child. If she fails, she'll have to start over from the beginning. After countless repetitions, if the subject successfully reunites with the child...
And what if she fails? Then humanity will face complete extinction. Dr. Gu?
This is Baby 6. Given all the asteroids here are active, might be leaking off the network. Can you avoid the status from your visual?
Mom, wake up! Our house turns into a swimming pool!
Giant, what is this? What happened to our house?
The water came in while you were sleeping, and it kept coming in!
Hello?
Are you Kuana, manager of the Darwin Center's Emotion Engine Development Team 3?
Yes, who is this?
I'm Sony Joe from Personnel Security Team 1. I'll be brief since this is an urgent situation. How flooded is your home right now?
Right now, the water's...
Mom!
Listen carefully. You need to evacuate immediately.
Mom,
I'm
I
almost
think
at your
this
apartment
thing
now.
that I saw in my dream
The third floor will
yesterday.
be flooded
Wanna
soon,
see it?
so evacuate to an upper
Giant,
floor as quickly
hold
as
on a
possible.
minute.
Chief Eam was
Mom, I
appointed to
sent
the
my
position
drawing to
originally,
your
but
phone.
just now she was swept away in the torrent
Please,
tide.
Mom.
You don't have
Can
much
you
time,
hear me,
so don't
Mom?
pack. Just
Why
leave
are you
immediately.
looking at my drawing?
Giant, Mommy's on the phone right now.
Dr. Gu, are you unable to talk?
No, it's all right. Go